Hey guys, what's up? I'm sorry it took so long, but I'm back with part 3 of the Red Bull 5T experience. I'm gonna go ahead and paint this centerpiece. They finally came in. I got the Red Bull info already tagged onto the frame, the Red Bull logo up top. I already got my paints mixed, of course. I gotta plug in my own reducer, the Clark Art reducer. 16-ounce bottles and 8-ounce bottles. I'm wearing the new smock. They're nice. They come in black with my logo. They're sexy. Check it out. We don't like a dry tip. We don't want no tip dry, so we like it wet. So stay tuned. I'm gonna take this piece into the shop and I'm gonna paint it in the lab. And then I'm gonna show you the pictures of the completed body and get this shipped out for this customer. Hopefully he doesn't totally explode, but most of the time, once the product is finished and I show them a couple pictures of it, they're happy as hell. So stay tuned for the finished product and I'll be right back. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos as I work them out. I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so this is where we left off. I had just finished the top portion of the front end on this 5T body with the Castro Red Bull theme. And now I'm going to be painting the centerpiece. So this is the third installment. I was waiting for the third piece of the body to come in because it was damaged, but it's here now and I'm going to jump right into it. I've already masked it off and it's ready to be painted. Now the centerpiece has the Red Bull logo on the side, the Red Bull name on the top of the roof, and I'm going to do some window treatment. So first we're going to use the black to back this body. I've sprayed 3 coats, and what I'm going to do now is figure out what colors I need to lay next. I'm going to go from light to dark, so I'm going to pull everything off that needs to be sprayed in the yellow. I'm going to spray this yellow a little different than what I did on the front portion. I'm going to use the candy yellow here because I want these colors to be slightly different so that you can see there's a separation. So the Red Bulls get the candy yellow, the window treatment, and the front hood line, the front roof line will get this candy yellow. And now I'm peeling off anything that needs to be sprayed white because I'm going to back my candy yellow in white. And since the Red Bull outline of the letters is white, I'll peel that off. This way, I mean, as you map out your spraying technique, you don't have to keep going back to a color. If you have a bunch of white that needs to be sprayed, peel it all out, spray it, get it done. So I've backed my candy yellow in white. I've sprayed the back of the Red Bull lettering in white. And now after 4 coats of white, I'm going to spray a coat of black over everything because the black will help seal up the white. So when I go to spray red and any other color that's darker, I don't want to take a chance that it might actually bleed into the white through the candy yellow or any other of the whites. The black will literally seal it up for me because I have enough coats of white. So at this point now I'm going to peel out everything that needs to be red. I'm not going to use any candy. I'm going to use Wicked Red. It's mixed 1-to-1. That's 1 part paint, 1 part reducer. And of course you can get my reducer. It's also available. I'll leave a link in the description. I did about 3 coats of the red mixed 1-to-1. So I'm doing the Red Bulls in red and I'm doing the Red Bull logo in red. Then I'm going to back it in white. I haven't cleaned my gun because the red, even though it looks pink, the red is already down. So the white is just going to help the red pop. It doesn't matter that the red and the white mix give you this pink as long as the red is down first and it's thick enough, it's fine. So again, I went back with the black again to clean up and to finish off everything on the body in black. And at this point, the only thing left for me to do is to lay down a few more coats of black over the entire piece, which in total is about 5. And then I'm going to peel out this bottom portion of the window because I sprayed that yellow line in the window. I want those windows to be tinted. So what I'm doing is I sprayed a light dusting of my black onto the bottom portion of the window to give it a tinted look, and I peeled away the top section and left it clear. So this is the finished product. As you can see, the red didn't bleed into the white. The white is crisp. You got your red lettering, you got your yellow, and the yellow is bright and it pops. And this is the entire finished product. And as you can see, I go from the red to the orange to the dark yellow to the bright yellow. And I wanted that separation in the yellow to start right there at the second piece, because from there back, it's the bright yellow. It pops. And it turned out really well. Was really happy with this. It looks just like the other body that I painted like this for the X-Max. So I shipped this out to the customer. I'm pretty sure he's happy because he hasn't sent me any messages complaining. I'm sure eventually he'll send me some pictures, because I asked him to send me some pictures of what this would look like once it was on his truck. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them for me in the comments. Don't forget to click that button and subscribe. Hopefully I'll have more videos for you coming soon. And look, if you want to purchase one of my aprons, one of my smocks, just leave it for me in the comments. I'll put a link there too, so you can go to our eBay store and order that along with the reducer. And just keep painting, and hopefully you guys will get your skill level up. And that's all you can do. Just keep painting. The more you paint, the better you're going to get. I got 10 years in, and I have just transitioned from average to a professional level. And it took me some time, but now I'm here, and I'm here for you guys. So if you have any questions at all, feel free to hit me up in the comments. Thanks, guys.